Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is another lockdown video because we're in lockdown. I don't have anything new, but I do have this e.l.f. palette that was one of the 3 that I bought, and I haven't tried this one yet. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try this e.l.f. bite size, and this one is Truffles. Now I'm probably only going to use maybe 2 of the colors. I don't know. We'll see. But we're going to start off using my Essence Eye Base, like we always do, just to cancel out the purpleness that I have in my eyelids. I'm getting a little low. I think I might have grabbed the wrong one. But I'm just going to put this on, and then I am going to blend it out with my sponge. Make sure there's no wrinkles in it. No lines from my wrinkles, rather. Get it nice and smooth. And then I'm actually going to go in with my, not with this because it doesn't have a light enough color, with my Creme Brulee from Wet n Wild, my single. The Creme Brulee is the color. And I'm just going to set that I just put on, so that we have a nice smooth palette for our shadow. And I'm really into these natural looks now, so probably going to be another one. Although this has got lots darker colors, so maybe not. So I am going to go into the lighter of the 2 browns. And this is a matte brown. And I'm going to put this in my crease. And I'm going to start off really light. I just want to get some depth, which I have a lot of depth, so I don't really need much. But I want it to transition up. And then I'm going to put it on the outer corner. You know the routine. Same thing on this eye. See, just barely any color there. And then I'm going to take this Sigma E55 brush, which is kind of flat and dense, and I'm going to go into this sparkly one here and put this all over my lid. If it doesn't stay sparkly and do what I want, then I'll go back and spray it. Yeah, I'm gonna need to spray it. I remember that about these e.l.f. ones. It's like they're really good, but they're really better if you spray them. So I'm just gonna grab this. And then put this on my lid. It's really a pretty color. It's just you get a lot of fallout, and it's not as intense if you don't spray it. Because I already have a little bit of fallout from that first swipe I did. But it's not bad. So that's what we're gonna do. Gonna get some more. Spray it. Oops, I missed. And put it on this eye. And then I think I'm gonna take this, I guess I'm gonna use all 4 colors. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this super dark one for my liner, but I'm gonna put a little bit of this dark brown in this outer corner just to help lift it up a little bit. And I'm just gonna use a pencil brush to do it because I only want a little bit. So I'm just gonna go right close to the lash. Can you even see it? It's hard to even tell it's there, but I think it helps. Oh, there, I can see it better on this one. I have to go back and do the other one darker now. That's good enough. And now I'm going to take the darkest color in here and use that for liner. And I'm going to use an angle brush to do it, I think. This is actually an eyebrow brush, but I'm going to use it anyways. I guess I'll start off with it dry. And just pull it across. Let it get nice and smoky. Yeah, I probably should wet this. It's probably going to be way better. But I'm not getting fallout from it. I just, you know, for a liner, you kind of want it intense. Although it's getting better, so maybe not. That sparkly one's just really pretty. Although I have to say it's not very natural looking anymore, is it? Oh well. It's natural for lockdown, right? I feel like I got a lot of that silver on my lash though. Like I need to put some mascara on it, which I might do. Because it just doesn't seem black enough anymore. All right, I think that's enough of that. All right, it's not very natural, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of this black right here. Just like that. And then I might pull it in just a little bit more. All right, I think that's good. Now I am going to go in with just a little bit of this Tightline mascara because it does not clump at all. So I can put this on and it won't look horrible on top of these fake lashes. Except where I accidentally get it on my eye. That doesn't look too great. There, that looks good. As a rule, I do not put mascara on fake lashes, but I really did get a lot of that silver on these, so they look kind of gray actually. And you can do this, you can put mascara on them, or you can just use eyeliner and make them black again. I think that's good though. I have to get this off in a minute after it dries. But I like it. I think the look looks good. And I think I'm done with it except for getting that little spot off. And that didn't take very long at all. I love these little kits. Now my favorite one, I like this one, but my favorite one for that supernatural look is the cream and sugar one. It is definitely my favorite. But I do like this little e.l.f. Truffles one too. It turned out really good. These are the only three that they have at my Walmart. Are the Truffles, the Rose Water, and the cream and sugar. I think there's at least one more, but they don't have it at my Walmart. I think I saw it. Oh, it was pumpkin or something like that. I saw it at Target after I'd already bought all these. But I decided I don't need another one of those. You guys don't want to see any more of those, and I certainly don't need it because it was all kinds of warm colors, which I have like in every other palette I own. So I thought, yeah, you don't need to spend that money. So there we go. There's our look for today. What do you think? Not bad for a lockdown look, huh? Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!